Hello my friends, today I'd like to cook a full Indian vegetarian feast together with you. So what ingredients do we have? We've got mushrooms, a box of fresh eggs, some tasty vegetarian sausages, a big bag of spinach, and of course, we can't forget carrots, tomatoes, chili peppers, and a bag of even cuter little chilies. I also picked up some traditional Indian vegetarian snacks. They should taste pretty good, right? Look at that. There's so much. We also have onions, my favorite, potatoes. We also got naan and rice, chickpeas. Don't underestimate them. They are packed with protein. Next comes my secret weapon. Well, it's not really a secret, because you can find it in any supermarket almost. Indian curry paste. Wow, look at all these ingredients waiting to be cooked. Are you ready? I usually like to start the rice first because it takes a bit longer to cook. While that's going, we'll wash all the vegetables. And now for the first step. Don't be scared. Let's start chopping. Cutting everything will take some time, but that's okay. We will take it slow. I'm curious, are any of you vegetarians like me? What inspired you to become one? Please tell me in the comments. Do you still remember the first vegetarian dish you made after making that decision? I still remember mine. It was honestly hard to swallow. I bought a mixed bag of vegetables from the supermarket, added a little oil to a pan, and just stir-fried them. The taste was so bland that I couldn't even finish it. After that, I fell into deep thought. I wondered, how do vegetarians keep going? What's their secret? Is it all about willpower, or do they simply have better recipes? From that moment on, I started spending a lot of time studying vegetarian recipes. A friend introduced me to an Indian restaurant, and I still remember it clearly. They had all kinds of Indian dishes, many of them already prepared. I randomly ordered a few, and every single one was delicious. I thought to myself, maybe Indian food is my true calling. So, I began dedicating a lot of time to learn how to cook Indian food. Every time I visited an Indian restaurant, I would carefully observe while enjoying the flavors. What ingredients were used? What spices were added? Over time, my skills naturally improved. The process wasn't instant, but in the end, I achieved what I wanted. I was finally able to cook delicious Indian vegetarian dishes on my own. Not only that, I started exploring Chinese dishes and even burgers, incorporating vegetarian elements into them. It brings me so much joy, and I really love it. After all, vegetarianism itself is a philosophy. I often think that if vegetarian food doesn't taste good, it's completely understandable that people can't stick with it. But if we can make vegetarian dishes truly delicious and share them widely, more and more people will be happy to give them a try. So, let's practice our cooking skills well. First, satisfy our own appetite, and then share these wonderful recipes with others. Alright, we are almost ready. Oh, by the way, these traditional Indian snacks taste amazing, but let's not eat too many since they are fried. We don't want to gain weight. Wow, look at that. Everything is prepared. Now, it's time for the next step. Step 2. Let's start cooking. I recommend using olive oil. It's a healthier option. Once the oil is hot, we first add the onions. Ah, that wonderful smell. Who can resist it? Next, we add the tomatoes and cook them down until soft. No rush. Cooking requires patience, and patience is something we practice. Now, let's add a little water and continue stirring. Now, it's time to pour in the delicious Indian curry paste. Honestly, I always choose randomly. I'm not too particular because no matter which one I use, or even if I mix two together, it always tastes amazing. I have great confidence in it. Every time I cook, I feel excited because I never quite know what the final taste will be. Don't forget to add some curry powder. Now, we keep stirring until the fragrance really fills the air. What an enjoyable process cooking is. In the beginning, when I didn't know how to make tasty vegetarian food, I felt lost. I thought vegetarians have very few choices. But now, I have no worries at all. Endless delicious possibilities are waiting for me. Not only that, I can get enough nutrition too. Protein, vitamins, carbohydrates. Nothing is missing. I also naturally avoid consuming too many excess calories. Of course, that still requires a bit of self-control. But if you can do it, you'll discover that being vegetarian is truly one of life's great pleasures. Look at me. I usually have plenty of energy. My skin is okay. My hair is healthy. And I'm not overweight. That's because of my vegetarian lifestyle. I truly hope more friends can join in, so we can walk together on this path of health, balanced nutrition, and even improving our body shape and appearance. In the end, we must cherish our bodies. Don't forget, we are precious manifestations of life. We should let our manifestation bloom like flowers under the bright sunshine. Alright, now we need to let it simmer for a while. Let's use this time to clean up the kitchen. My friend, have you ever considered becoming vegetarian? Maybe you felt inspired before. Maybe you've thought about it. If so, would you be willing to try again? Let's explore together. As we often say in relational non-duality, this world is not made up of isolated individuals, but is more like an interconnected web of relationships. Every day, when we breathe, drink, and eat. We are participating in this flow. When we place food in our mouths, it's not just me eating something, but life exchanging with life. So, considering vegetarianism shouldn't come from moral pressure, but from a subtler awareness. When we have a choice, are we willing to make the flow of this relationship a little less tense, a little more gentle? Animals have feelings. They experience fear. They want to live. If we recognize that we all exist within the same relational field, then reducing unnecessary harm may simply be a natural response. It's not extreme, and it's not a label. It's a small daily practice, softening our hearts through 3 simple meals a day, and making our relationship with the world a little lighter. From a practical perspective, vegetarianism can also bring gentle, long-term benefits to the body. A plant-based diet often contains more fiber, vitamins, and natural antioxidants, which support gut health and help energy level remain steady, without dramatic highs and lows. Many people find that when they reduce high-fat and heavily processed animal products, their bodies feel lighter and their cholesterol burden decrease. More importantly, this way of eating encourages us to choose more natural, less processed foods that are closer to the earth itself. When the body feels clean and stable, emotions also become calmer. This perfectly echoes what we say about relational non-duality. Outer choices gradually shape inner states. Vegetarianism is not a magical cure-all, but it can be a gentle way to support balance in both body and mind. So, we are talking about a more conscious way of living. It's about lightness in the body and peace in the heart, about reducing a little burden and adding a little gentleness. If we are willing to try, we may discover that change doesn't have to be dramatic. It can be soft, gradual, a small choice at every meal. So now, I would like to invite you, if you trust me, if you are willing, let's try walking this path together. Not changing alone, but encouraging one another, witnessing each other, moving forward side by side. There may be challenges, but as long as our direction is clear and our hearts are firm, we will gradually see the results. Let's create a healthier and more harmonious life in a gentle yet determined way. Alright, let's move on to the next dish. Again, we start by onions. Then, cook the mushrooms and set them aside. Next, pour in the eggs. Add all the ingredients back together and stir-fry them with curry paste. Wow, can you smell that incredible aroma? It's absolutely delicious. I promise you, if you cook this yourself, you will be completely won over by the fragrance. Our next dish is mashed potatoes. Add the spinach, then mix in some curry paste and stir evenly. Potatoes are my favorite. Did you know? They actually contain fewer calories and less sugar than rice. My secret to staying slim isn't avoiding carbs, is choosing potatoes as my main over the long term. If you stick with it, your body will naturally feel lighter. Wow, the delicious meal is ready. Look at those colors. Don't you want to taste it? And more importantly, once you learn this skill, you will never have to worry again. You will be your own chef, making delicious vegetarian meals at home every day. My dear friend, let's walk this path together. I promise your appetite will never feel deprived. Alright, that's it for today's episode. Next time, we'll continue talking about philosophy. Don't think it's boring. We must take care of both our bodies and our souls. I look forward to seeing you again. Bye for now.